Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking the subtitle file itself. Is it SRT, AS, or VTT, and is it UTF-8 encoded? If not, convert encoding now. Next, put the subtitle file in the same folder as the video and either rename it to match the video file name or be ready to load it manually in your player. Finally, open the video in a capable player or a subtitle editor. This lets you see timing and basic rendering immediately, so you can act on mismatches. Once the file is loaded, focus on synchronization and text quality. Play a section and note if subtitles are early or late, then apply a global delay in milliseconds or adjust individual timestamps to align speech with text. Make necessary text edits, fix typos, split long lines, and choose styling only if using. AS, save as a new version so you can revert. If your target device needs a different format, convert the file now, making sure to preserve encoding and backup the original. Finally, choose whether to keep subtitles as a selectable track or burn them into the video. Soft subs let viewers toggle visibility, while hard coding ensures compatibility. Use a muxer like mkvmerge or ffmpeg to embed tracks, and then test the resulting file on the devices your audience will use, phone, PC, or TV, to verify font, size, and positioning. If something breaks, check encoding first, then subtitle track order and player subtitle settings. That single check usually resolves missing or garbled text.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.